Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison from the Sewer Car Company, and I'm going to show you how to set your seats in the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Let's get right to it. So first off, you're going to see this M and then 1 and 2. So this is seat setting number 2, seat setting number 1, and mode. So however you want to set it, right? Right down here, you're going to have the forward and backwards button, and also moving the seat kind of closer to you, a little bit farther from you. And this little button's gonna help with back support. Really awesome. Actually would very highly recommend that you use that. But anyways, let's get this down. So let's move this up super close, and we're gonna show this kind of like this for this certain tutorial. So let's just say we really just want this seat to get as close as possible to the steering wheel, because why not? Then right after that, you're gonna press this M, and then let's just say we want it for seat number 2. So what you'll do is you press M, press number 2, and all of a sudden you're gonna hear that little beep. So let's put this thing back to 1, just holding the button. So you actually have to hold the button in order to get it to the desired part that you want. And then let's hold 2 real quick. We're gonna hold 2. It's pretty bright outside. You can tell that the seat is moving all on its own and getting to the desired position that I want. And it'll stop right there. And now we're gonna attempt to get inside this vehicle, because why not? Okay, yeah, this is definitely a tight fit. So, yeah, okay. So right there, and close the door, boom. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna drive from now on. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Oh, my camera's moving. It was so much fun to actually be able to do this and set some seats, because I did not know how to do this until now. But I will see you guys in the next video. See ya! Okay, this is definitely very uncomfortable. I'm just gonna kind of put it back. This is definitely, there you go, there you go. Yep, and got it, perfect. Get some water. I definitely recommend Stanley. They're not a sponsor to us, but definitely would highly recommend it. I got the sage green one because my favorite color is green. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.